All right, here's the steps you're going to need to know to convert your image for your Scratchboard. Now you want to take your image, whatever you choose to do, you want to turn it into a black and white, and that's going to make it easier for you to turn that into your Scratchboard. So first we'll try it on this photograph. You want to make sure that your image is going to have a nice range of values, darks, lights, some mediums, and that's going to make for a nice dramatic Scratchboard image. You're going to start first by going up to the image menu at the top here. You're going to go to adjustments and you're going to go to black and white. You do want to look at your image and look at what kind of colors you might have, because that's going to have an impact on how you do this next step. So again, that's image adjustments, black and white. And then depending on the colors you chose, you can kind of adjust them to be lighter, to be darker. So this had a lot of yellows and oranges and maybe some reds. So I'm gonna kind of work with those. And then I'll hit OK. Now the next step is gonna be image adjustments and levels. And this is gonna help you just kind of fine tune that. This is sort of a graph that tells you what your image looks like. On the left side here are your darker values, and on the right side are your lighter values, and in the middle you have your middle values. So right now we don't actually have any dark values, so I'm going to move this over because I want more black in our image, and that's going to be helpful to you too, because that means you don't have to scratch that off if it's black. But you do want to also make sure you have some good middle values. So in these trees back here, we want to make sure we see some of that. We want to see some of the texture in the tree because we're going to try to recreate at least some of that. And then you're ready to go. And I'll hit OK. Again, File, Save As. Make sure that in the format it says JPEG, and then you can save it. I'll do a second image just to go over the steps again. Here's another image. Again, you have lots of browns, oranges, yellows. I'm going to start again by going to black and white. And again, you can adjust. You want to make your yellows lighter, reds darker, or whatever images you want to use. Hit OK. You can then further adjust in levels. Again, image. Show that to you again. Image, adjustment, levels. And again, here you can adjust. Do you want more dark? Again, that's a good thing in your Scratchboard. You want it to be dramatic. You want more white. So just move these 3 markers around and you'll get what you need. I'm going to hit OK. Again, File, Save As. Make sure it's JPEG. You can rename it if you want, but that is going to be your image that you turn in, and you can get that printed, and that is it.